Okay, so now we are on to step 16, and we're going to wire side 1. So I had side 1 on the bottom of my stack. It is the one that has the 4 unsoldered tabs at the bottom in the middle. Get that out of the way there. Okay. So for this, we're going to be soldering 9 of the 3-inch white wires. So these, we had 27 of them to the right side of pads RCO through RC5 and RAO through RA2. So it's going to be the right side of this group of 9. Right here. So in this group. So those three, and those 3. Now since we're putting these on the right side pads, we want the wire to come in from the right side like that. And since we've already tanned our wire and the pads, we can just heat the pads a little bit, stick the wire in, and it should be good to go. Downside is I forgot to turn on my soldering iron to let it heat up. So, but then again, we're doing 9 of the 3-inch white wires. And we will not need to add any more solder. We want to make sure that when we put the iron on here and stick the wire in, and we pull the iron off, that we leave the wire there for a couple seconds so that the solder can dry and solidify and hold together. Otherwise, you'll just be pulling the wire right back out. And my iron still needs a little bit longer to heat. I'm using again, this is the 3-inch wires. I'm going to double check and make sure that this one's 3 inches over here. That one actually comes in at 3 1/4. So that one got slid over. That one's, I thought that one seemed longer. Someone got into my wires and mixed them all up. All right, give me just a minute. Okay, so got my wire situation resolved. Okay, so I'm going to come over here to the far left side and do this one first. So I'm heating the solder and then attaching the wire into the solder. And same thing right below it. Gonna heat the solder, stick the wire in, pull my iron off, let it dry, then I'm done there. And then again, iron on, off, it's done there. I'll give you a slightly different angle. I might have been better off coming in from the right side, now that I think about it. Be all right though. So I'm gonna go right here, iron on, wire in, iron off, iron on, wire in, iron off, and it's good. And be careful that our iron doesn't touch any of these wires or it'll start melting them, which could give us an issue with short circuiting later. So now I've got those 9 wires on there, and that completes step 16. Any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know, and I'll see you at step 17.